Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Danny if you guys didn't know, but if you guys do know, then what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look that you guys picked out on Instagram through polls. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there so you guys know when to pick the makeup looks that you guys want me to do a tutorial on. So this is the look that you guys decided to pick. So it's this white gold like shimmer type of thing going on the cut crease part, and it is pretty much just focused on the eyes because I did very minimal on my lips. Obviously just it's my favorite nude, and then just glowy skin. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this eye look, go ahead and keep on watching. So now I'm going to go in with a Morphe's M433 brush and my Morphe's 3502 palette, and I'm going to go in with these two colors right there. And I'm just going to put this onto the crease, placing it down and then blending. Now that school is going to start again, try my hardest consistent, so I'll try to be at least like every other week, so 2 videos a month. I think that should be decent, especially because I do want to focus on school as well. And I hope you guys can understand that. So, but I won't leave this time like how last semester I left for like 2-3 months. I don't want to do that. I want to do at least 2 videos a month. So now I'm gonna have a mixture of these 2 browns and a little bit of that red. Morphe's M433 brush. It just gives it that burnt orange effect, which, if you guys know, I love. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to get these 2 orange colors. So this one and this one. And this is going to be on my Sedona Lace EB13 brush. And I'm just going to try to focus this onto the outer part. Just a tad bit. Use a dark brown shade. Be this one with a little bit of this one. Put this onto the outer V. And with a little bit of this color and then this one. So, and that one I'm just, the brown color I'm just putting like right above, so like kind of on my crease. E36 brush, I'm going to go in with that cranberry color. So now for that shimmery part, which is obviously my favorite, I'm going to use this Tarte's Pro glitter liner in the shade white gold. It is so beautiful. It's double-ended obviously. So one side, and this is a trial size, okay, so it's obviously really small. One side it has this like obviously white gold sheen. It's very shimmery but no glitter. It is right underneath it. It's right here. I think it's so gorgeous. I use this on my red looks from my rainbow series on Instagram. Go check it out. And with this tiny brush, I do carve out my crease. So I'm not going to talk, and I'll just play it so you guys can see. Okay, so very white gold, I love it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye because now I look weird. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and my whole face, and we will be back to do the lower lash line. So I've pretty much finished all of my face makeup, including the lips, which of course everybody knows I use the NYX lip cream in the color London and a L'Oreal lip gloss. So now I'm going to do the lower lash line. Before I do, I just want to let you guys know I'm using Dodo lashes in the style D318. They are my favorite style ever, and they're only $12, and you can get them for like, I think like 10-ish, 11-ish with my discount code, which I will link down below. So anyway, for the lower lash line, I'm going to keep it pretty simple because I want all the attention to be on this white gold cut crease. So I'm going to go back in with the Morphe 3502 palette, And I'm going to go in with the shade, the first two that I used on my crease, and then just a little bit of these other two browns, not the red. So I want to keep it kind of browny on the lower lash line. You know what I realized now that I'm looking at the viewfinder? This is a really nice like bridal, like a bridal look. Like, yeah, it's like super soft on the skin, yet glowy, full lashes, nude lip. It's still very dramatic on the eyes. Did I just find a look for my head? And I'm just going to put it right on the lower part. Pretty much just to give it that color. Perfect. Is it just me, or is this look pretty like bridal as heck? This. I like it. It's just to pretty much just throw a wash of color under the eyes. And now I'm going to go in with the E18 brush. It's like a small pencil brush, and I'm just going to blend the lower lash line. This is the final look. I hope that you guys liked it, again, as much as I liked it, as much as I liked the look, as much as I liked filming it, like I always say. And if you guys did, go ahead and let me know by giving me a big thumbs up, and go ahead and comment anything down below, and I will be sure to answer you guys if you guys have questions or just comments. So yeah, so next Friday, which will be January 26th, I will not have a video up, because January 25th is my birthday. I'm going to be turning 21 years old, and I'm going to go on a mini getaway vacation with my sisters, so I won't be able to film, but I will, like I already explained earlier in my video, I am going to still be filming no matter if I am in school. I'm just going to be cutting it down. Instead of one video per week, it's going to be 2 videos a month. So instead of 4 a month, it's going to be 2 a month. It's going to be like every other week. My next video is going to be February the 2nd, and like I've mentioned in my previous video, I like, you know, doing polls on Instagram, because that's my way of hearing your guys' opinions and stuff like that. So I will be putting 2 looks that I have done before, you know, and on a poll, and then I'll have you guys choose which one you want me to do a tutorial on for February the 2nd. So with all that babbling on, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and once we reach 400, there's going to be a little surprise. Yeah, so I just thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!